Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You can see that right here I'm holding an iron, and right here is an inverter iron. This iron contains 250 watts. You can see it, right? So join me guys as I'll be doing unboxing of this iron, also the review of this iron. And this iron can go for color 2000. So guys, right here is the iron, and the iron's name is Sonic. It's a Sonic product. You can see, right? And this is an inverter ion that contains only 250 watts, unlike non-inverter ions that can contain like 2000 watts, 3000 watts, or even more than. And right here are the key features of this ion. You can see 5 temperature modes. You can see right here 100% copper cable, and you can see here is non-stick sole plate. I can see power light indicator. So this iron is a non-stick, means that it doesn't stick on the plate, it doesn't burn clothes, it's non-stick. And you can see, right? So here's the iron. Just take a look at the carton and see before I go properly and unbox it. Look at, so here's the iron. So let's go on the unboxing proper. So just come here and open it from here. This is how it looks inside. If you buy it, it comes on this carton, and here is the manual. If you have time, you can take time to go all through the manual. You can see 250 watts iron. So it means that even cooler 2000 can take this iron, and I will actually be making an experiment with this. So it comes like this in the carton. Look, nothing inside here anymore, just the manual and the iron, and it comes wrapped on this nylon. So it was bought newly. Sorry, I'm holding my phone on one hand, that's why I'm finding it difficult to unwrap this. So here's the iron from the inside. You can see here ACDC Sonic iron. You can see, right? So this is how it looks. And let's see the plate. Right here is the sole plate. You can see it is non-stick, means that if you're pressing your iron, no matter how hot the iron is, you won't see any stick right there at the plate. Unlike non-inverter irons that can always stick here, burn your clothes, and you see black stains all over here that can get your white dirty. But this one is non-stick, just like the non-stick pot that doesn't burn food. And you can see now for the weight of this iron is very, very light. Look at inside, nothing inside, just it's very light inside, very light. Maybe how can I even compare the weight? It's very light inside. And this iron doesn't have a feature where you can put water. On this iron here, you can't put water, unlike the other iron whereby you can put water and be sprinkling it. But this one, if you want to iron your clothes, you have to have a different container that you can use to put water to be sprinkling on your clothes. This one, once you just plug it, it will just go on automatically, and you just start pressing your clothes. So no water pod or container area where you can add water here. Look, you can see just a simple iron, inverter iron, and 250 watts. Very small energy, means that Cola 2000 can carry it conveniently. You can see, I know how we always suffer with iron. So we just got it. You can see I said, let me make a review and show you guys this iron. Now let me show you about the features too, here. You can see here, right here, right? What this iron is that this iron has 3 modes. You can see depending on your clothes. Now, for instance, if you have a synthetic silk cloth, a wool, or let me say a cotton linen, so you can always set the iron depending on your clothes. Now, let me say you have a wool cloth that you want to iron. You can see this wool, just turn it and come and set it right here to be on the wool. You can see. So it means that no matter how the iron is hot, it will be hot, or it will be pressing your clothes knowing that what you're pressing is wool. Like it will attend to you, or it will serve you depending on your material. Or let me say the hotness will always regulate depending on the material that you set. Now if you want to iron a material that is made of synthetic silk, just bring it right here and set it at this synthetic silk to stand right here. So it means that the iron will also regulate its hotness to suit with this material, synthetic silk. Now, if you want to iron cotton linen, just bring it right here to stay at this cotton linen material. So the iron will also regulate and adjust to suit with that cotton linen material. You can see. So to turn the iron off, look at the off option here. Just bring it here, right here, here. Oh, sorry, this way. Bring it this way and keep it right here. It's off. You can see, right? Also, one good thing about this iron is that this iron has automatic on and off. So it means that once you're using this iron, let me say you just forget it. Like let me say you plug it on the socket, and after you are done with ironing, you leave it. This iron will just go off automatically. Unlike some irons whereby once you leave it there, it will still be getting hot. So this one has automatic on and off. Look at it, very light iron. It's not heavy. You can see from the inside. You can see. So here is a non-stick plate, which means that it doesn't stick materials or clothes. It doesn't get your clothes burned. Just be pressing it. Also, I will also make an experiment on the pressing. It's hot. It really presses your clothes a lot. Now let me make an experiment on the pressing too. So to make an experiment on the pressing, I'll just take the iron from right here and just plug it right here. If I plug it, then you can see it on. You can see, right? I will now put it on this synthetic silk. So this material is also like maybe a silk, is silky kind of in texture. So just start pressing it. Just start look at a non-stick sew plate. It's very hot. Just start to press it. Okay, light is on. The light little is on. Just start pressing it right here. So it is very light iron. Look, it's hot. So but with time it will start getting hotter and hotter. Look, it's hot, very very hot. You can see, right? You can press your clothes, as many clothes as possible. But this material, this very piece of clothes, this is how it is. So just press your clothes, press. You can get water on the container to be sprinkling on your material. You can see the iron is very 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 hot. You can see. So just an experiment. Just keep pressing it on your clothes until everywhere gets stretched out. So guys, thanks for watching this video and bye.